haven't manually sorted a customer email in months, and today I'm showing you exactly how. We're building an AI-powered email agent that reads, analyzes sentiment, logs data to Google Sheets, and replies all on autopilot. You don't need to be a coder or a technical wizard to build this.
We're using make.com to link your email, Google Gemini AI, and a simple spreadsheet.
First, create a free account at make.com. You can use Google or any other email address.
This is the dashboard you'll see when you log in. Explore the features.
Once you get familiarized with the dashboard, click on Create Scenario. You can see two options, build from scratch or start with a template. We will build from scratch. You can see the number of applications you can start with. We'll search for watch email in the email module. You can see the module opens with a form to fill with connection configuration. So guys, you can select Google or Microsoft. I will select others for my own domain. Once selected, save with a connection name, email provider, and other details as required. Select the folder you want to read, select the criteria, all emails, read or unread emails. So here you can select based on your requirement or whatever business scenario is. I've selected only unread mails for showcasing you guys. Fill other details as required and click on save. And save from which point you want your data to be processed once scenario is triggered. I select from now on. So I have triggered an email to my custom domain from another email ID. I won't open this just yet.
You can see the Run Once button. Let me run this for you.
And see how cool is that? We get the output triggered from the email received. Then we click on Create New Module and let us select any desired LLM, large language model. Let's add Google's Gemini AI model, choose Generate a Response. Module opens asking connection details. Let's fill connection name, Gemini AI, email analyzer, and writer. Now go to your Google AI Studio, create an API key or use the default one. Make sure you don't share this with anyone else. Enter the API key and click on Save button, so we will wait and the connection being established. Select the AI model version. We select Gemini 2.5 Flash and proceed with prompting. We can see the output from the email watcher of email module, which can be used while we prompt. We create one more Gemini AI model for categorization of the emails and proceed with configurations. Once that is done, we will create email module to send email, router, and Google Sheet. Please follow along. Now the workflow automation is ready. Let's run it for the final time and see. First, let's send an email from customer third-party email to the company email. And see how cool is that? We get the output triggered from the email received. And this is how you'll do your first automation in low-code, no-code way without any prior knowledge. You've now mastered the basics of Make.com, email integration, and Gemini AI. Your inbox is officially working for you, not the other way around. You can also schedule the complete automation to trigger reply emails on new emails which are received. So basically, you've just built a 24/7 virtual assistant for the price of, well, zero. If you want to see more videos, content on AI, automations, technology, like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to visit adventurousinvestorhub.com and remember to share your feedback.